channel. This is Anna and we're going to make a tuna pasta today. And I have the pan heating up. So what I'm going to do is have my olive oil. Yum. Okay, then I'm gonna add my onion. Whoop. Gonna add our onion. Okay. And our fried garlic. Just a little bit, because this, if you fry the garlic, the flavor comes out very strongly, so you don't have to put a lot. Just it like that. Sauteing our onion and garlic, I'm gonna add our mushrooms. So I'm using a portobello mushrooms, guys. And this is one of my favorite mushrooms because they're pretty good. I can use them for anything. Okay. While sauteing that, I'm going to add our black pepper for taste. I like putting in my herbs while I'm sauteing the onion and garlic, and then our parsley. I use a lot of parsley with this because that is good. That is good. Our basil. Yum. And making this tuna pasta, guys, is really easy. And very affordable, you know. I mean, if you doesn't have a mushrooms, you can just, if you have whatever celery, actually you can add a celery on your tuna pasta as well. Which actually I get a celery, which probably I guess I can just use a mushrooms for now since I already have the mushrooms. And on the other aisle of my stove, I'm boiling up the water to boil our pasta. And I'm gonna be using a linguine pasta, guys, because I like this. I like the linguine because it's not too thin and it's not too thick, and it's really perfect for our tuna. And look at our tuna, guys. This is so cute. And this is a Starkist chunk light tuna. Oh, look how beautiful that is, guys. So this is a healthy version of our pasta, and we are trying to make it healthier as much as I could, you know. And at the same time, guys, you know, if you doesn't have tuna, hey, you can use especially in the Philippines, you can use a smoke, what do you call that? Milkfish. You can use a smoked milkfish as a replacement for your tuna. Bam, you got a meal. Yeah. Okay, so while sauteing, and I think the other pot is boiling up for our pasta. We're going to boil our pasta. So with our water, I put just a little bit of salt, and you can put also some oil, like olive oil or any vegetable oil, so it won't stick together. But since this is gonna be going straight to my mixture, I don't need to put any oil on my pasta water. Okay, so I'm gonna make some of this. I'm just so excited with this. It's been a while, guys, since I had a pasta, but so this is gonna be an adventure. And you know what, guys, cooking is whatever your personality, be creative. And I always recommend to, you know, play with your flavors. play with your ingredients. You don't have to stick for ingredients that what I'm using, whatever available in your area. That's what you know. You can twist it. So it seems like our mushrooms, onion, and garlic is sauteing pretty good. Then I'm gonna add my tuna, and I'm gonna add also the juice, so it will add more flavors. Look at that. Yum. Nice and beautiful tuna right there, guys. Alright. Oh. Delicious. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. And then, while I put in the tuna, I'm gonna add our tomato sauce, guys. So I'm using a Ragu tomato sauce, okay? This tomato sauce will help also to settle the flavor of our tuna, because I know sometimes tuna is a little strong flavor, but at the same time, it's really delicious. But of course, some people doesn't like the strong aroma of tuna. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add some tomato sauce, okay? That would be perfect. Oh, I can smell it's really good. And trust me, guys, when I'm making a tuna recipe, my husband is not really a big fan of tuna, but if I make a tuna recipe, my husband can eat it because he can tell that it's a tuna. Because I try to make them flavorful, and of course to lessen down the smell of the fishy smell and taste. So that's why I can trick my husband for a tuna. And at the same time, guys, of course, some kids also doesn't like the fishy taste of the tuna. Even it's a healthy one, but you know, you can also use your tuna, guys, replacement for your meat. You can make it a meatballs. Yeah, tuna meatballs. It's delicious. Alright, so I'm just mixing up my noodles up here on the other eye. Ooh, smells so good, huh? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. This is so good. So good. Okay. And to have a little, instead of salt, I'm gonna use a hoisin sauce. So this is a hoisin sauce, guys. Just a little bit, just enough to flavor the sauce, and this is gonna be perfect. What I like with this recipe, guys, this is really quick. I mean, it doesn't take hours for you to have a meal. You know what I'm saying? So it's really recommended for those, especially the parents out there who doesn't have the time to, you know, stand up in the kitchen and cook for 2 or 3 hours. This recipe is really quick and easy. Hey, oh, look at that, beautiful. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes sauteing our tuna, look how beautiful that is, guys. And this is now ready for our pasta. You excited, guys? I am. And I'm just cooking up my pasta on the other side, okay? And then we will go plating from here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. See you in a little bit for plating. So there you go, guys. So this is our finished product of our tuna pasta. Look how beautiful this is, guys. See? Oh, then I put some provolone mozzarella cheese on the top just for, you know, more flavor, more kick. You know what I'm saying? So thank you very much, guys. I hope that you like my recipe today. And like I said, guys, this is very easy recipe, quick, reasonable price for the ingredients. And I hope that you enjoy my recipe today. And you can cook them at home for your children or for your family. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please click the notification bell so you will be updated every time I upload a video. And I'm gonna see you later, guys. Bye.